In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the order of your emails in a chain to newest on top in Gmail. When you open a long email conversation in Gmail, the messages can sometimes feel like they are in the wrong order for quick reading. Many people prefer seeing the most recent message first, so they do not have to scroll all the way to the bottom to find the latest reply. The good news is that Gmail lets you switch the conversation order with a simple setting right from your inbox view. To begin, go to your Gmail inbox in a web browser. Once you are in the inbox, look near the top of your message list, above the emails. You will see a small area that shows your current page range and total messages, something like a range of emails you are viewing at the moment. This is the control Gmail uses for navigating and adjusting how messages are displayed. Click directly on that range indicator. When you select it, a small menu will open. In that menu, you may see an option that says Oldest. This indicates that Gmail is currently set to show the oldest messages at the top of the conversation view. If you read long threads often, this can make it harder to jump to the newest update quickly. Click on Oldest to open the available choices. You will then see a selection that includes Newest. Before you select it, you might also notice the total message count displayed in the same area. This number simply confirms how many messages are in the current list, and it helps you know you are working in the right place. Now choose Newest. As soon as you click it, Gmail updates the display so that the newest messages appear at the top of the email chain. This makes it easier to follow the latest reply, see recent attachments, or catch up on the newest details without extra scrolling. If you do not see the change immediately, give the page a moment to refresh, and make sure you are still viewing the same conversation thread. Once it updates, your email chain should now read with the most recent messages first. And that is all there is to it.